This cost me nothing. Yeah, zero. I found a candle that I already had and went outside, collected some sticks, got this pretty leaf, and this is just some other stuff I already had. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of spice up and make this look more fall-like. Just, you know, instead of just a normal little candle, make it look a little cuter. So you're gonna take your sticks. All right, so once you chop up all your sticks, you're gonna take your hot glue gun and just glue it to your candle. This is how it's gonna turn out. Yeah, I went from a candle to this and I'm still not done. All right, gonna use some twine. And yeah, spruced up an ordinary fall candle a little bit for my family room. Sticks, leaves, and twine, and a candle, that's all you need. Thank you guys for watching this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow us on Pinterest.